When you discover water around your Rheem water heater, don't immediately assume the drain valve is the culprit. Proper diagnosis is the first critical step. Start by examining all potential leak sources systematically. Check the temperature and pressure relief valve at the top, inspect the tank body for cracks or corrosion, look for condensation from connecting pipes, and finally, examine the drain valve at the bottom. If you've confirmed the leak is coming from the drain valve, you're dealing with a common issue, especially on older Rheem models that use plastic valves. Plastic drain valves are prone to failure as they age. The plastic becomes brittle from repeated heating and cooling cycles, leading to cracks and damaged threads. This is particularly common in Rheem's economy models. Now let's look at temporary solutions you can try before calling a professional or replacing the valve entirely. The first temporary fix is to gently tighten the valve with an adjustable wrench. This only works if the valve threads are still intact. Turn very carefully. Plastic valves can crack easily if over-tightened. If tightening doesn't stop the leak, there's another temporary solution you can try. If the valve continues to drip after tightening, you can install a hose cap with a rubber washer over the valve outlet. This creates a temporary seal, but remember that leaks can still develop where the valve screws into the water heater body. Remember, these are only temporary solutions. The underlying problem with a deteriorating plastic valve will eventually require permanent repair or replacement for a lasting fix. For a permanent solution to drain valve leaks, replacing the plastic valve with a durable brass one is the most reliable approach. This process requires careful preparation and proper technique. Step 1. Safety preparation is critical. First, shut off the water supply to the water heater. Then turn off the power for electric units or the gas supply for gas units. This prevents accidents during the repair process. Step 2. Drain the tank completely. Attach a garden hose to the existing drain valve and direct it to a safe drainage area. Open the valve and allow all water to drain out. Be extremely cautious as the water may still be very hot. Step 3. Remove the old valve. Once the tank is completely drained, use a wrench to carefully unscrew the old plastic drain valve. Turn counterclockwise and be gentle to avoid damaging the tank threads. Step 4. Prepare the new valve. Apply Teflon tape to the threads of the new brass valve. Wrap the tape clockwise around the threads 3 to 4 times to ensure a proper seal. Step 5. Install the new brass valve. Thread the new valve into the tank opening by hand first, then tighten with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the threads or crack the tank. Step 6. Test the installation. Open a hot water faucet in your home, then turn the water supply back on to refill the tank. Check carefully for any leaks around the new valve. Once confirmed leak-free, restore power or gas to the unit. For enhanced performance, consider upgrading to a full port ball valve. This type provides better sediment removal compared to standard valves. The larger opening allows more efficient tank flushing during maintenance. Replacing your drain valve with a quality brass component provides a permanent solution that will last for years. This investment in better materials prevents future leaks and ensures reliable water heater maintenance.